question everybody is asking, can Dogecoin get back up to $1 realistically? Shiba Inu, can it get back up to its all-time high? And can it do it fast? In this video, we are going to be talking about these altcoins, whether they can realistically get back up to their previous all-time highs and even higher, what it's going to take, and much more. We're also going to be talking about the current crypto market. So if you hold any cryptocurrency right now, this video is going to be extremely important to you, and I highly suggest that you stay until the very end. If you are an altcoin holder of any cryptocurrency, smash up that like button like you've never smashed it up before, and let me know in the comments below your favorite cryptocurrency. I love hearing your favorite cryptos in the comments below. And guys, make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you do not miss these time-sensitive videos where I'm giving you free plays, how to make money in crypto for free. Highly suggest that you cannot miss it. So getting into the charts, what we are seeing is cryptocurrencies are actually quite green today. We've bounced up from the crash that we experienced from last week. And last week we bounced up from the previous crash, but technically we've been heading down for the last couple of weeks because the crypto market's pumped up a lot. And when cryptos pump, when any asset pumps, honestly, there's always going to be a retracement, a pullback, because what? People take profits and people start moving money around. And then of course we had a bunch of events, a bunch of FUD that was crashing cryptos and all markets around the world. So as of right now, what we are seeing, Shiba Inu is setting up, if it ends up pumping here over the next couple of days, the next couple of weeks, to make a very big move, and we're super excited about that. We have Ethereum actually already breaking out, which is very good, and this is a big move, which if it does confirm and breaks out, we're gonna see a massive pump for cryptos and Ethereum because most of the altcoins follow Ethereum. So that's very, very good. And taking a look at Dogecoin, Dogecoin has actually broken out of this falling wedge pattern, which is very decent, but is letting us know that a trend change has happened. So for a couple of weeks, Dogecoin has been crashing and heading down. And this breakout right here is letting us know that that downtrend is potentially changing, and we're potentially going to see something very soon of a pretty decent move. We're very excited about it. So we are going to be monitoring this on this channel and in the Patreon, of course, the place where you can get accurate buy and sell alerts for cryptocurrencies, making profits every single week. If you want to get access to that, join the Patreon right now, especially tier 3. But the question that I asked in the beginning of this video, can Dogecoin get back up to $1? Can Shiba Inu get back up to its all-time high? But let me be completely realistic. So the only reason why Dogecoin went all the way up to these crazy numbers, which I rode the wave up, a lot of you rode the wave up from Dogecoin, but the real reason why Dogecoin went all the way up was because of hype and a lot of FOMO and a lot of retail investors, which unfortunately have already left the crypto market. A lot of the hype, a lot of that FOMO is completely gone because we've been in a bear market. We've been quite bearish since last November. And since last November, cryptos have crashed. Bitcoin was 69,000. Look at where it's at now, $20,000. Ethereum was almost $5,000. It's struggling to hold $1,500. So a lot of liquidity, a lot of money, a lot of FOMO, a lot of retail investors, small investors have left. A lot of that hype has left, but guess what? The hype returns. The hype always returns for good projects, and hopefully the hype will return for Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. These communities are massive and they are great. And when the overall market begins to recover and literally begin to bounce up, when Bitcoin's 40, 50,000, 60,000, I believe it's very safe to say that a lot of this hype and FOMO will return to some of these coins like Dogecoin that have decent projects, Shiba Inu, and some other altcoins as well. I do believe the crypto market and the stock market, they will have a lot of hype again, but it's going to take some time. We have to get past this recession. We have to get past all these crazy interest rate raises. And when that stops happening, then the markets can recover, because the Fed is killing the market right now. The Fed is killing cryptos by raising interest rates, because when you raise interest rates, it means people have less money to invest in cryptocurrencies. That's what's happening to the market. That's why things are so down and not very exciting, no crazy pumps, because of the Fed raising interest rate, causing fear and panic in the markets. Once that is over with, and that will happen, and that will be over with once inflation starts to come down, and that will happen, things will calm down. Once that happens, that's when cryptos can pump back up again. And I do believe that there is massive hype to be had again for Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. And I also believe, let me know if you agree with this in the comments below, and if you agree with it, give this video a thumbs up. I do believe that there will be some strong bull runs in the altcoin markets for Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies, especially once we can get past some of these world economic factors that are really pushing cryptos down. So as of right now, things are super cheap, and I do believe in the near future, the next several months, even the next several years, that especially if you are in a good crypto project, it's not financial advice, none of this is financial advice, just my own opinion. If you're in a good project like Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, these are really good projects. You have other projects like Shiba Inu and Dogecoin, these are good projects as well. Different degrees of good, of course, and that's all based on opinion. But I do believe that the hype will return to these coins, and when it does, when the market starts pumping and there's a lot of green and everything's pumping, the stock market's pumping, things are recovering, that's when everyone's going to start FOMOing back into Dogecoin. That's when hype's going to come back with Elon Musk and all other types of things. Let me know what you guys think about that in the comments. It can take time. It can take time. It can take months. It can take a year. It can take a year and a half to get back to those levels. But guess what? Investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It is not a get-rich overnight. Investing takes time and patience, unfortunately. Yes, I would love for cryptos to pump every single day, all day long. I would love it. So would everybody else. But unfortunately, you have whales, you have institutions, you have big money, you have manipulation. All of these things affect me and your investments, unfortunately. But in conclusion, I do believe that the hype can come back and return, and Dogecoin can surpass the dollar. Can it do it? Yes. Will it do it? I don't know. I don't know. But there is a possibility. There's certainly a strong possibility if the markets will recover. And we do know that the crypto markets recover every 4 years. Bitcoin, guess what, guys? Cryptocurrencies crash like this every several years. We have bear markets many times. Cryptocurrencies have pumped like this many times before. Bitcoin has pumped like this many times before. Just 10 years ago, Bitcoin was literally, I think, only $9. Now it's sitting at $20,000 per coin. There's a bunch of crashes and pumps that will happen in between all of these times and in the future times. Cryptos will pump again. Cryptos will recover. They always recover, especially the good projects. Now, if you want to get access to the most profitable crypto trading community in the world, go ahead and join Patreon, especially Tier 3, to get access to all of the alerts. And also, claim your $5,000 deposit bonus over on Bybit. It's the best crypto trading platform out there. I highly recommend it. You get $5,000 for free. Why would you not do it? Use a VPN and put your country in Spain. And also, if you want to learn how to make 1 to 2% every single day trading cryptocurrency, go ahead and apply with the link in my video description, where it's my new course and mentoring program where I will teach you how to accomplish that in your own trading and investing strategies. That's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for staying to the end. I will see you all later.